Alright, this is going to be step 2 on how to increase your performance, well, take 2 on how to increase your performance on VR. So, first step you're going to want to take, is at your settings. Go into your settings, go into video. You're going to want to just change your render resolution. Just put that down a little bit. I got mine down at 48%, and that's at a tolerable level for me. It's not too bad. But on lower quality things, I can obviously turn that up a little bit. Advanced super sampling off. Overlay, I'll just say medium. Right, that's basically it. And if you're not seeing all these extra settings here, make sure you hit the show advanced settings. Right. You got Steam dealt with. Now you got VR chat. So you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to come in here. Performance. Scroll down here. So graphics quality low, anti-aliasing disabled, all that stuff. Particle limiter. I should have that on. Boom. Force camera near distance. I don't know. Near resolution. I mean, lower obviously the faster. So that's that. So another thing. Now this is going to be a little bit. You wouldn't think that this would help, but all right, we're going to go out of VR now to explain this. So let's. That's not. Hold on. So we're going to go out of VR here for a second, right? Minus this Oculus mirror. Headset is down. So the next step you're going to want to take is make sure your main display, the game that everything's going to be running on, is about half resolution. I got 1920 by 1080. I dropped that down to 1280 by 720, and that just, your graphics card is driving less pixels. That's obviously going to be more performant there. So you drop that down to 1280 by 720. Bada bing, bada boom. But another thing you can do, look at this VR chat window here. See how big this is? That's still your graphics card driving all those pixels. So what you can do is just minimize it up into hold on. You minimize it up into a tiny window, and that's less pixels your graphics card has to drive to the monitor even further. So from there, you just have so much more room for your VR headset. Like for instance, I'm only running a 1050 Ti. This is not VR ready by any stretch of the imagination. But by doing these steps, it's allowed me to, just be in the VR world and not be sick of it. But anyway, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials in the future. Leave a like if this actually helped you. That way, this new hiding the dislike system kind of bites smaller creators in the ass. So it does help if you like and comment at the end of these. But yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.